What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can export Google Photos to OneDrive. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in drive.google.com or you can type Google Drive. In both the cases, you will be redirected to the homepage of Google Drive. Now from here, you need to choose the image that you want. In my case, this is the image that I want. I will just click it once, and after that, it appears this in this blue color. You have the option of download at the top. Click on this download button, and then it will just scan for viruses. If there is no virus in that image, it will automatically download, and then you can save your images wherever you'd like. After that, you just save the image, and when you save the image, in the new tab, open your OneDrive by just opening Microsoft Accounts. In the search bar, type in Microsoft Accounts, and then you will see the first official website of Microsoft Accounts. Click on that website, and after going to that website, you will see the application of OneDrive on the left side from the app launcher. App launcher will be of this square shape. You can just click on it and then you will see all your Microsoft 365 apps. Select OneDrive and then you will be redirected to the dashboard, login dashboard of OneDrive in the new tab. Now, if you are new to OneDrive, you just need to click on try for free, or if you already have a OneDrive account, you just need to sign in to that account. After login or signing in, you will be redirected to the homepage of OneDrive. Now from here on the left side, you can see the option of add new. Click on this add new option and then click on files upload. After that, it will show you all the files that you need to upload. And from here, the file, that image that you have chosen, you can just drag and drop that image. When you see this image, click on it once and then click on open, and then it will be added to your Microsoft OneDrive application. As you can see, it says uploading images.jpg to my files. So it will upload it on my files. When I come on my files on the left side, as you can see, this image has been uploaded, images.jpg. So this is how you can upload your Google Photos to OneDrive. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.